Hello, beautiful, sexy people, and welcome to another episode. I'm at the gym about to go running. Check out the pool down here. It's epic. My account is going up a lot, and I was like, woke up this morning, I'm like, why is my account going up a lot? Apparently the ape coins that I bought yesterday, they're pumping. And I'm going to show you that in this video. I'm going to show you the market, my thoughts on Bitcoin, and what I'm doing in the market. Also on the 21st, I'm going to be going to some big event. I'm going to be a speaker in AIBC. And then at the end of the event, going to Billionaire Island, which is going to be epic, some VIP thing. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down there, join 70,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for all the market now. So we're going into the technicals, and this is, I'll show you my account away. So in my account here now, $179,235 in this trading account. And I was like, why did it go up $2,000 last night? Or I think it was around 2,000. Because Bitcoin barely, I've got 114,000 USD, Bit, I've got $36,000 worth, it didn't move. I'm going to be buying a lot of Bit, everyone, because I know Bit's price, it's the biggest DAO in the world. And Citadel, the biggest fund in the world, bought DAO at 90 cents. They were an early investor in DAO, and they only got the 90-cent price because they invested tens of millions plus. So only big investors, hold on, the screen is dirty, got DAO at 90 cents. That means I know there's a very strong floor price at 90 cents. So I'm going to be buying a lot of it down there. Let's go back in. So it's at $1.11. It's gone up a little bit. I've also got Bitcoin around 20,000. If Bitcoin keeps holding here, I'm going to add more. Ape, I only bought 300 because that was the max that I could buy during the whole pump and dumps that happened yesterday on ApeCoin. But now it's up 1,300%. It launched at $1, now it's at $14. It came down to $5. At $5, it was a nice place to be adding a lot. I think at $15, we're going to have a big resistance. And I'm going to show you the market cap on CoinMarketCap and my thoughts about it and what I think is going to happen. My Bitcoin trade is still open. I've got a long from yesterday, down 9%, $55. I'm going to show you the technicals. So, and here is the ApeCoin. So this is ApeCoin. So what is Bored ApeCoin? So if you've been following crypto markets and the whole NFT craze, Bored Ape Yacht Club was the #1 NFT. It was the most popular NFTs that were released, these monkeys. Now every celebrity has got one of these monkeys. Snoop Dogg's got a monkey, Paris Hilton's got a monkey, Justin Bieber's got a monkey. Many of these famous people have been buying Bored Ape Yacht Clubs, and they've been the floor price is like 90 Ether or something, which means it's like around 90 Ether now is it's $3,000 per Ether. What is that? 90 Ether. So say 100 Ether, it's almost $300,000 floor price on the Bored Ape. Some of them are $1 million. They dropped a lot actually, I think, during this whole correction. But those apes, those NFTs are worth a lot, and that's quite important because when all these celebrities have it, and this price that pumped yesterday went from $1 to $50, back down to $5, now sitting at $14. But not a lot, they released the token without really letting anyone know, and they released 30% of the supply. So anyone that had a Bored Ape got tokens for holding a Bored Ape Yacht Club. So the market cap now is 3.9 billion, up 1,300%. That's not bad for $4 billion market cap when so many celebrities and everyone has this NFT. It's the #1 NFT. They have 5.8 billion volume. Fully diluted is 15 billion. So I do believe that we're coming close to the true price of Bored Ape Yachts. But again, on the release, they shot up to around 50 cents at $50 at one point. Now it's sitting at $14. It came down to a low of $5. I think at $5 was a good price. $6 it came down to. Here, I think it's peaking around this price. I think it will start ranging between $15 to around $11. If they get really big traction in the news and everything, everyone might just buy them because all the celebrities, etc. But right now, that's the price that's holding on. But let's go to the technicals for Bitcoin. And this is my Bored Ape, my coins. These are the ones that I'm holding now. Here, now sitting at 1440. I actually had a sell order around $15. I think that's a place that you could actually sell Ape at $15 and then buy it again at $7 to $10. But I aped into it. I only got a little bit. I only got around $4,300 worth of this ApeCoin. But let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin because now we're jumping into the charts on Bitcoin. Volume is starting to look at this volume coming in the last weeks. So volume on Bitcoin is quite strong, but on the daily, the stochastic now, the squeeze mob is overbought, turning to head down. Squeeze mob is going to the red side. Let's go straight into 4 hour. So in my opinion, we are going to come back down to test this trend line at 36,000. What pattern am I seeing here? No real pattern, but it is a tightening kind of, some big movement is about to happen for Bitcoin. We've got a kind of symmetrical wedge forming here on Bitcoin. So a big movement is about to take place on Bitcoin. I can tell you the exact time. So usually it's going to be actually soon, because usually it's 30% of the movement of the triangle. So we're going to have, in my opinion, we're going to have a big movement here on Bitcoin, and it looks like it's going to be pushing towards the downside. That means we could get, so symmetrical triangle, usually like in technical analysis, I teach you technical analysis in my courses, it moves like this, right? It builds pressure, and around 30% of the distance of the triangle, so this, where we're sitting around now, 70% of the distance is usually when you get the move, either to the upside or the downside, usually following the overall trend. So most likely to the downside, and usually it moves the distance of the base of the symmetrical triangle, this distance here. And it looks like it's going to try to push to the downside, everyone. So hopefully not. Hopefully we don't get this movement. But if it does, we could be retesting the lows on Bitcoin, 32,000. So a big movement is about to take place on Bitcoin. And the stochastic is indicating that it's going to be going to the downside. Squeeze mob is also going to the red side. Money flow is flowing into Bitcoin though. Let's go into the 4 hourly to get more of what's going to happen to this move for the next few days. So on the 4 hourly chart, the stochastic is overbought right now, but it's trying to turn to head up. A little bit of volume. This is a very difficult, here is a difficult position to be making a move. There's also a W formed here. There's also a cup and handle formed here, which is a bullish pattern. This is a difficult place to know the direction. You need to be very careful here. If we get a drop, most squeeze mob is still going to the green side on the 4 hourly. Money flow is flowing out on the 4 hourly. More than likely, it looks like we're going to have some drop here, but this is a difficult one. It can really, here, it's hard to predict. It can go either way here. And we are forming kind of a lot of volume and a lot of bottoming formations. EMA ribbons, we are above the EMA ribbons, so we're still bullish. VPVR, we have a lot of support, massive support at 38,900. So most likely we're going to be moving to the upside then, because we have so much support at that 38,000. This could be a point, but that's where most of the buy orders are. So what I would think the market maker would do, I think the market maker would come down, take everyone's money, get them into the trades on the orders, because that's where most of the orders are, and then it would need to dump it to take their money. If most of those people are going to long at 38,000, that's how they would get the money, because most of the orders are at 38,000, right? So people 39,000. So they would need to come down to 39,000, trigger all the orders, dump the price, liquidate everyone, and then move back up. So I do think this is a difficult place to be trading. What do you think? What do you think in the comments? I think that's, if I was the market maker, that's what I would be doing. I would come down, I would drop the price, get all the longs in, liquidate them down to 32K, and then shoot the price up. But again, at 32K, there's so much, at 39K, there's going to be a lot of buying here. So it's going to be hard for them to dump it. But that's the smart move for a market maker. Trap all the liquidity, dump it, and then move back up. So I am leaning towards the downside here. Crypto Guru Bot is firing a buy, but on this short time frame, it's difficult for it to actually pick the right direction when there's so much manipulation. Indicator bot, the Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell. I'm going to close my trades here, because if I was the market maker, that's what I would be doing. I would actually short here. I would do a tight. I'm going to go from long to short at this position, because if, again, the VPVR, all the orders are here at 39K. So that's what I would do if I was the market maker. What do you think? I would drop the price, take all the longs, so everyone goes long here, get all the orders in, dump it, liquidate them, and then bring the price back up. That's a smart move for them, and that's what we've been seeing in this range. We've been seeing a very tight range from Bitcoin between 45,000, like you can see just clearly that we have a very strong range here from 45,000, and the bottom of the range is this 36,000, or even lower. Actually, the bottom of the range is here, 34,000. This is the range that Bitcoin's just been moving in, 45, 36, and it's just liquidating everyone, taking their money, taking their money, taking their money, taking their money, taking their money. So I think the next leg down to take their money is coming in. Maybe I'm wrong here, but I'm going to go towards this indicator. So I'm going to be shorting here. Let's look on the hourly. On the hourly, it's midway heading up. There is pressure building, volume a little bit dropping off. So definitely I think we're coming down to 39,000. Does this market maker do what I'm saying? Most likely. So I'm going to close my long on Bitcoin. I've got a long open. It's down $52. It's not much, but I'm going to close it. Confirm. So I'm closing the long here on Bitcoin. And you can do this trading, what you're seeing me trade, underneath in the description and the pinned comment, there's a link to Bybit down below. And on that video before, you can go back to the where that icon was moving, the QR code. You can just scan it with your camera, with your phone, and there'll be a link. You can click it and you can sign up to Bybit using that link, and then you get a $4,100 US bonus when you sign up and deposit Bitcoin. And that will give you this trading software. So I'm closing my trade right now. It's a $57 loss. Okay, that order is now closed on Bitcoin. So now I'm going to go short here because I think that's what the market maker is going to do. He's going to follow my genius plan, which is, I don't know, maybe he might not, but I'm leaning towards it. So I'm going to do a very tight stop loss. I'm going to put the stop loss here at 43,000, and the take profit is the sinister plan at 36,000 will be the first take profit on this trend line. And that gives me a nice trade. It's, what is this? It's 1.6, so I'm risking 2,400 to make $4,000. 10x leverage, $40,000, 100x leverage, $400,000. So a nice trade to take. I'm going to short it like this. So I'm going to short now, stop loss 43. I could actually make the stop loss tighter if it fails. Stop loss 42, take profit is going to be at 36,600. So opening the short now, 42 stop loss, 36,600 take profit. So shorting, $500 short. $500 short, confirm. Okay, short is open. My take profit is going to be 36,600 and my stop loss 42,200. Nice, so I'm risking 228 to make 538. Unleveraged. No, this with 10x leverage, so it's a $5,000 short. Maybe I increase it because if I'm wrong, there's not much risk. I'm going to add more to this short. Confirm. So now it's a $10,000 short. $11,000 short. Beautiful. So that's the trade. It's set. Let's see how it plays out. That's my thoughts on Bitcoin. Also, MagicCraft, there's a lot of exciting stuff coming for MagicCraft, everyone. This is MCRT. This is the project that I'm founder of. It's got now 7.9 million people on the watch list. 7.9 million, ranked 3,900. The price, the market cap is only 2.3 million. In this project, our goal is to build the World of Warcraft of play to earn. Fully diluted, it's 69 million market cap. Volume 167,000. And before the drop of the bull market, we went from 6 cents all the way to 10 cents, and then now we're sitting down almost at the IDO price, just above, a bit above 0.7 cents. And this is MCRT. Check it out. I recommend you. And we got a lot of MCRT will jump. Keep buying more MCTs. We know it's a huge potential. I will buy another bag if it hits the IDO price. Been holding my bag ever since it hit $8,000. MCRT just bought more MCRT. So check out this project. I'm going to show you some. So MCRT, it's a play to earn game. So we're building a play to earn game. MagicCraft. I'll show you like the website. It's a play to earn game. It's something like World of Warcraft, but for crypto. That's the game, the kind of concept of what we're building, and it's going to be epic. There's so much exciting stuff that the team is making. NFT marketplace coming, staking coming very soon. So pay attention. The trailer is just epic. These are some of the characters and 3D models that are the studios are building. There's more than 100 people working on this project. So it's just going to be epic, and you can check it out, MCRT. And we've got, these are our advisors. So me, I'm the founder. Moon Carl is advisor. Chris from the Moon, Slavic, Crypto Mo, Alex, Da Vinci. We have so many. We've got 2 huge studios working on the project, and it's just an amazing team, an amazing project. Check it out. And these are some of our partners. So we're partnered with Unity, Binance, Tech Audit, Certic, Whimsy Games, Devoted, Solana, Hafen, Wingswap, Capital, Bel Air, Master Ventures, all of these guys are part of the project. We're listed on Bitmart, CoinGecko, PancakeSwap, you can check those out, Bitmart, CoinMarketCap, etc. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button. That was a lot of information in a short video. I am bullish on Board 8. If it comes down to $5 or anywhere near, buy more. Right now, where we're sitting at $15, I think it's the peak. I'm going to go to the gym now, hit the subscribe button, smash the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.